Thank you for purchasing our induction cooker. Please read this instruction manual carefully before using and preserve it for your reference in the future. Production Introduction Page 1. Induction cooker working principle Page 2. Specification Page 2. Parts Page 2. Function diagram Page 3. Operation and uses Page 4. Notice Page 5. Caution Page 5. Cleaning and maintenance Page 6. Are usable and non-usable cooking utensils Page 7. Troubleshooting Page 8. Induction cooker is one of the new environment-friendly kitchenware developed by our company based on European, American and Japanese advanced technology. The main parts such as IGBT power tube, CPU and IC etc. are imported from Siemens, Toshiba, Motorola, Korea, which are advanced in craft and functions. Our induction cookers are at national standard, switchable for all kinds of cooking. Heating efficiency can get up to 94.36% from startup to boil in a short time with peculiar microcomputerized safety inspection system. It is super safe and reliable by the characteristic of cooking with no fire, no smoke and no exhaust. It avoids safety problems from traditional cooking. Therefore, it attracts many consumers. Our induction cooker will bring safety to you and more health to your family and more cleanness to your kitchen. Kitchen your to cleanness more and family your to health more. You to safety bring will cooker induction or consumers many attracts at therefore cooking traditional from problem safety avoids it. Exhaust no and smoke no fire with cooking of characteristics by the by.